गुरु गोविंद दोऊ खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु अपने गोविंद दिखो बताए. This aptly puts the position or a status of a teacher much higher than that of God.
Hello and welcome. Let me give you a walkthrough to our e-learning course on leadership and motivation for effective school management, developed by Bharati Institute of Public Policy, Indian School of Business. This is a one-of-its-kind, self-paced, asynchronous course which we have specially curated for school leaders, keeping in mind the challenges they face in creating and maintaining an enriching and nurturing learning environment.
I believe this is the beginning of a new era in your journey in the education sector.
An individual is located in an environment that has many disruptions and challenges, and with disruptions and challenges, there are many opportunities.
Currently, this course can be accessed by over 10,000 school heads, principals, and lecturers at government schools in the state of Punjab. This course is divided into 14 modules which explain the various aspects around leadership and motivation. Each module is further broken into several short videos which are further followed by discussion questions, knowledge check quizzes, gamification questions, and other interactive activities, all methodically sequenced to ensure a memorable learning experience. The individual modules are set in such a way that as soon as a participant completes one module, the next module automatically becomes available for viewing.
What is the leadership challenge in dealing with disruption? What is your role as leaders? Are you leaders of your school? Are you leaders of a broader community beyond your school, of all of society itself? And what does this mean for you, and how to prepare your stakeholders for the change and disruption that is coming upon us?
The course begins with a broad introduction module which sets the tone and helps in providing an overall synopsis. The short introduction video is followed by videos on SWOT analysis, applying management principles, communicate to succeed, motivation, adaptive leadership, the way forward, personal leadership excellence, empowering educational leaders, team building, competency-based curriculum, achieving school-level outcomes, emotional intelligence, happiness, and lastly, a concluding video which sums up the overall content and its use in the real world.
The adventure of the life is to learn all the moments, learn from each other, learn from everybody. What is the purpose of life? The purpose of the life is to grow. Grow what? Grow in your thought process, grow mentally, grow spiritually, and always remain positive.
In this course, I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the things that we as educators can do to improve our own happiness and the happiness of our students and the happiness of our teachers. This is a very, very important topic because happiness is not just something that feels good. It also turns out that happiness is a very functional thing. It actually improves our productivity.
The course comprises of 30 hours of content, including a combination of 12 hours of videos, reading material, presentations, and assessments. The various components of the modules seamlessly integrate theoretical concepts, experiential learning, knowledge sharing, and assessment-based exercises, where the participants are encouraged to think about the reforms they could bring to their respective schools. On completing the course, the participants will receive a certificate from Bharati Institute of Public Policy for successfully completing the course within a span of 3 weeks.
I'm training you so that I can be at peace when my family travel in the flight where you are the captain. Just imagine, the children whom you have taught, you have not completed their learning process. What would happen when they become doctors, engineers, and coming back to you or to your family to treat you or to make your house? What would happen? If they don't get the right skill at the right time, how are they going to be prepared for life? How are they going to be a good, employable person in the future?
The course aims to offer a comprehensive knowledge around the concepts of leadership and motivation and the steps one must take to become an effective leader by aiding in the overall development of the participants. The primary goals of this course can be summed as
1,000 principals that we have trained can do this, I'm sure each one of you there who is listening to me today can do this. You can create an impact. You can do something exceptional. You can create these stories of achievement, be it infrastructure development, be it motivation to students, be it student performance, be it motivation of staff, any new initiative that you want to start in your school, you are the leader. You have to do it.
This course has been thoughtfully designed and delivered by experienced faculty from ISB, experts from the education sector, and guest speakers from the industry.